Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Mr. Safety and I would like to introduce you to the Schmersal product family. Today I am pleased to be able to present our Safety Fieldbox for PROFINET PROFIsafe systems. This Fieldbox is a universal interface solution for the installation of safety switchgear and helps to reduce the effort needed in the construction and wiring of machines and product lines. Up to 8 different types of safety switchgear can be connected easily to the Fieldbox. In addition to safety signals, diagnostic information from the connected safety switchgear are also transmitted to the control system. The Schmersal SFB-PN supports simple, cost-effective and error-free plug-and-play installation of safety switchgear and is the ideal solution for safety-integrated PLCs with a PROFINET PROFIsafe field bus interface. The highlight of this safety fieldbox is the universal 8-pin M12 device port. With this 8-pin device connection, the user can connect safety switches, sensors, light grids, as well as solenoid interlocks, which occupy only one port in each case. The device port is that universal that solenoid interlocks of the most different designs can be connected. This includes many different versions of electromechanical and electronic solenoid interlocks, as well as electronic solenoid interlocks with 2-channel unlock function. The option of connecting control panels with e-stop function and non-safe control and signaling devices is also unique. An 8-pole M12 connecting cable can be used for most Schmersal safety switchgear. Schmersal Opto devices of the 440 series, such as safety light grids and safety light curtains, but also safety light barriers of this series can be easily connected to the SFB. Special Y adapters are available for this application, so that both the transmitter and the receiver can be connected to only one device port. Optimal user support in the engineering of systems and machines is also very close to our hearts. For this reason, we have created a web-based design tool for calculating the voltage drops in complex installations. It is available for the users on the internet at system-engineering-tool.com. With the Safety Fieldbox, we have developed a very flexible, efficient and cost-effective installation system for safety switchgear on machines and systems. The main difference between us and our competitors on the market is that in addition to the safety signals, we also transmit the diagnostic information of the connected safety devices to the control system, and that a wide range of different safety switchgear can be connected easily to the Schmersal SFB. Do you have any further questions about our product? Then please do not hesitate to contact us.